Hi there, in this video I'm going to walk you through the installation process step by step and show you how you get those custom picture styles onto your Canon camera. And to make this happen, we're going to need a couple of things before we get going. And the first thing we're going to need is the EOS Utility Software. Now, this here is a free software that you can download from Canon's website. And there's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below. So don't worry about trying to memorize or make notes of the things that I talk about here. There will be plenty of information in the description. So the second thing we're going to need is a USB cable to connect our camera with a computer. And this here is a USB type A to mini USB on this side here, which is the standard for most DSLRs and, well, slightly older camera models. The new R series cameras, I believe all of those use USB-C, but these cables normally comes with the camera. If you don't have one of these, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can pick one up for like $7 or $8 or so. It's a cheap piece of gear for change when it comes to camera equipment. Now, let's get started. The first step here in our installation process is to uncompress or extract the files that we just downloaded from the website. And if you're on a Windows computer, you can go ahead and use Winrar, and all of you Mac users, you can use the Unarchiver software. And both of these are free for both platforms and will be linked up down below. Okay, so now with the files extracted and everything, we can go ahead and connect our camera to the computer with the USB cable like this. And then we can go ahead and launch the EOS Utility Software. Once we've reached that point, we can now go ahead and turn our camera on and make sure that it's set to stills, not video. If you put it in video, these next steps aren't going to work. So make sure it's in stills. Okay. Now I'm going to put this down here. So on our screen now in the EOS Utility Software, we have a couple of options and we are going to click camera settings down here. Okay, and on this page, we're going to select the register picture style file. And now we're pretty much ready to start loading our custom picture styles onto the camera finally. And on this model here, I have 3 user-defined slots, as you can see here, and I'm gonna pick number 3 because I have 1 and 2 already occupied with other profiles. So yeah, number 3 for me here, and I'm gonna hit this little icon down here, which brings up this Explorer window. Don't know what it's called on Apple computers, but in this window anyway, we can navigate to the location on our computer where we extracted those files earlier. For slot number 3, I think I'm gonna go with the monochrome here and hit OK. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to load more picture styles onto your camera, you can go ahead and just repeat the process on a different user-defined slot like this and fill up all of the slots. When you're done, you can just go ahead and unplug the camera and you should be able to find the picture styles in the picture style menu on your camera from now on. So it's not very complicated, and as you can see, it only takes like 2 or 3 minutes to get everything done. And well, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked the video and I hope to see you in the next one. Okay, bye and happy shooting.